How to make a YouTube video and set it up for your computer. The first thing we need to do is that we have to adjust the screen resolution so it would be formatted to any size of computer. So in order to do that, we go to Start, we go to Control Panel, then we go to Adjust Screen Resolution. From there, we will select the medium resolution to any computer because it would be able for everyone to see outside and able to format in YouTube because YouTube compresses a file, and when it compresses a file it tends to make everything by bits, blocks, and these little block figures make up the picture that we see. So in order for us to get a clear HD image, we gotta set it to low resolution. After that, there's many features that we can use. In Camtasia, when we can open up a project or finish a recording, we could send in callouts and make new forms and increase and decrease and point to people where to look. So callouts are this button, and what they do is that they during a video, this is David Pond, you can actually click, drag, tilt it any direction. You can make it long, you can make it thin, you can compress, you can deform the actual arrow shape to your liking, so it can be a triangle or it can be a small little arrow, and it's all done through this little action. Also, if you want to write something, you can write something in the text and it would appear on the screen. You can make it bigger so the text is able to read. You can fill different colors and you can add different effects, but it depends on all up to you and how you see it. Now, at the bottom of the screen you can see a little black box, and that is the arrow. In West Park Healthcare Center, AAC. So what just happened was, if you looked really carefully on screen, the arrow will show as the video would be playing, but when it's finished it would change, and you would be saying, how could I move this around to my liking? Well, you can move the arrow by just simply clicking on the black object and just sliding it across wherever you feel like it and want it to be. And from there you can expand on how long will this arrow would stay, or how short will this arrow would stay. And you can test it by going screen keyboard back. Now, sticky keys is a unique feature. Now, for zooming into or focusing on one specific point is the zoom in panel. And what we can do is that we can just drag this little box, and it will be like a callout, but it's more focused onto one thing, where we can focus onto this particular part of the screen to have the ability to use Curl, Alt, and then to make it big we just stretch it and it'll fit back to the entire screen and you can play it. Now you can add in audio, so you can pre-record something and then add it to added to the screen, but I'm just using a microphone and saying it as I go along. And that would be it on how to edit it. And to actually record, I prefer using the full screen capture tools, and the effects would be for highlighting, use mouse click sounds. I click on that and I say that's how I want to make it noticeable. Now, for the cursor to show the where I am is in the highlights and cursor and clicks. So as you record the video, it'll follow every action, and in order to do that, you just hit stop or F2 for my instance, and that is what I did to edit and create videos with Camtasia.